Hello there, it's Anna here and welcome to Little Crochet Farm. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful little seahorse, which is the second pattern from the Sea Creatures series. If you haven't checked it yet, I just uploaded the jellyfish last week. If you are more into written pattern, there is a link in the description below this video that will take you to the straight pattern, and there you can see all the detailed informations. But for now I tell you that I use a 2mm crochet hook and cotton yarn that is suitable for this needle size. If you have any question, leave them in the comment box below. I will be happy to answer you. Now let's jump on to the pattern. Alright, so we'll start here with the magic ring. If you don't know how to make the magic ring, there is links in the description of this video that will take you to the complete tutorial, but here you can see pretty much how it's done. And for the first round, you will crochet 6 single crochet inside the magic ring. For all the stitches, all the techniques I use for this pattern, there is a full tutorial dedicated to whatever stitch or pattern, alright? Okay, so here I pull it tight. So I close this magic ring and we start the second round. Here you will make 6 increases. So inside of each stitch you will make 2 single crochet, alright? That means that you are increasing 1 stitch inside of every stitch. Okay, and at the end of this round you should have 12 stitches. I will go slow in this beginning. Okay, super good. And now I always secure the beginning of my yarn just to make sure that the first round is very close and tight and that it will not be easy to unravel or some holes, see-through holes, okay? Alright, this is super good. I will add here my stitch marker. In my case I use just a piece of a different color yarn. And we'll move on for the third round. So here you will crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Okay, so 1 single crochet inside the first stitch and 2 single crochets inside the stitch next to it. Okay, you repeat this all the way around and I will catch you up here. All right, good. So this is how it's supposed to be looking like. And we'll move on for the fourth round. So here you will crochet 2 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 24 stitches at the end of this round. So 1 single crochet here, another one on the next stitch, and on the next one, 1 increase. Okay, so you repeat this all the way around, that it's 6 repetitions, and I will catch you up at the end. So this is how it should be looking like. And we'll move on for the next round. Here we will continue increasing. So for this round, you will make 3 single crochet, 1 increase. So 1, 2, and 3, and 1 increase. And then you repeat this all the way to the end. 3 single crochet, 1 increase, 3 single crochet, 1 increase, and I will catch you up at the end. Great. Now let's continue. For the round number 6, you will make 4 single crochet and 1 increase. You repeat 6 times and you should have 36 stitches at the end of this round. I always suggest you to count how many stitches you have at the end of each round just to make sure that you are on track, and if you have some mistakes and you need to unravel, you don't need to unravel too much because you discover your mistake early. Alright, so here we have the stitches and the increase. Great. So this is how it should be looking. And we'll move on for round number 7. Here you will work 5 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 42 stitches at the end. So again, the same thing, make your single crochets, make your increase, and the repetitions all the way until the end of the round. That's super good. We can see some shape here, very nice. I always add my stitch marker on the last stitch of the round. And here from round 8 to 14, you will work just single crochet. So you make 42 single crochets and you count until you have the round number 14 done. You can stop your video here and I will catch you up at the end of round 14, which is here. Great, so we have here the shape of the head of our seahorse, and now we'll start the decreases so we can start making the body, all right? So for round number 15, you will crochet 5 single crochet, 1 decrease, and you repeat that for 6 times. You should have a total of 36 stitches at the end of this round. For amigurumi, I always use the invisible decrease. I will show you how it's done. And if you need further assistance in that, take a look in the links in the description below. But here you can see, you just grab the front loop of the 2 stitches and you single crochet. And now you have 1 decrease here. This is the decrease. All right, repeat all the way around and I will catch you up for the next round. This is super good. Now for round number 16, you will make 4 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 30 stitches at the end of this round, okay? So here, the same thing, make your single crochets, and then you make 1 decrease. Invisible decrease, yes. All right. Super good. Repeat this all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 decrease. Great, and moving on for round number 17, here you will make 3 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 24 stitches at the end of this round. Great. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and the decrease. Okay? Good. So now, moving on, you will work here for round number 18, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, and you should have a total of 18 stitches after you're repeating 6 times. Okay, super good. So this is the head of our seahorse. And now for round number 19, you will work 18 back loop slip stitch. So you will grab only the back loop of the stitch and you work a slip stitch here. Just make sure for you not to make the slip stitch very tight, because the slip stitch is very easy for us to not measure the good size for it. And I will catch you up at the end. So you see this line here, this is what we are searching for. I will stop here real fast just to start adding stuffing material. And we will move on for the next round. This is looking very nice. Okay, do you see this remaining stitch? Like you have here the slip stitch you just work on it, and this is the remaining front loop of the round, the previous round. Okay, you will work on this line, on this remaining front loop. So you will work on the front loop 2 single crochet, 1 increase, and you repeat 6 times. You should have a total of 24 stitches here. I choose to work in this remaining front loop to make the neck and the neck very marked from body to head. I don't know if you can understand me pretty well, but this will give a nice cut between the head and the body. And this slip stitch round, the round number 19, will be facing inside of the toy. You will see this much better once we are finished with this round. So continue here and I will catch you up at the end. Alright, so you see this is very nice marked here. And now you are working again normal with the single crochet and like with the 2 loops, taking normally the stitches. And you'll make 3 single crochet, 1 increase, you repeat 6 times like you would do normally. At the end of this round, you should have 30 stitches. Okay, I will catch you up at the end. So 1, 2, 3, and the increase here. Good. All right, now we can see a better shape here now. That's very nice. Now for round number 22, you will work 4 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have a total of 36 stitches at the end. This is the last round with increases. So our body will work from here up, no increases anymore. All right. Continue here all the way around and I will catch you up here. You see, this is the inside. I didn't mention before. Great. Now for round 23 to 27, you will work 36 single crochet. All right? Simple, easy. Play your movie, stop this video, and I will catch you up at the end of round 27. Great. Add my stitch marker here and I will start decreasing. Here it will be a little bit different. You will work 6 single crochet and then you will make 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times and you will have 6 more stitches remaining and you'll finish the round like this. We are searching for some belly shape. Here you will understand it a bit later. You will see it, the shape. All right. So here first you make, I will go slowly in the first rows because we will repeat this kind of rows a couple of more times. Then once you understand, I will move a little bit fast so this tutorial is not long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 single crochet and now we start the repetition. So 1, 2 single crochet and the decrease. Great, you repeat this 6 times, all right? You will have 6 stitches left here and you just make single crochet here. Okay, so now for the next round, 29 and 30, you will make 30 single crochet. That's it, okay? 2 rows here just with 30 single crochet. I will catch you up after round 30. Okay, do you see this is straight and here is a little bit round? This is what we are searching for. So now for round number 31, you will make 6 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Repeat this for 6 times and you'll have left 6 single crochet. So again, is the same thing. Here you work 6 single crochet, all right? And you will start your repetition. Okay, you make 6 times, you have here's the decrease and 6 single crochet here, and I will catch you up. Great, we can see even more clear here now the shape that we are searching for. Now for round 32 and 33, you will work 24 single crochet. Stop your video here, finish this round, and I will catch you up. Great. Now let's move on for the next round, and you will work 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 18 stitches at the end of this round. So now we are back on working even the decreases. So 1, 2, and 1 decrease here. Great. All right. Now, for the round 35, you will work 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 12 stitches at the end of this round. Okay, so this is how it should be looking like now. And here we will work a couple of rounds here without increases and decreases. So for round 36 to round 40, you will work 12 single crochet, okay? So just 12 single crochet, go all the way up to round 40, and I will catch you up at the end of round 40. Okay, here we are. Now, I forgot to mention, go adding stuffing materials before you get super narrow. You need to go adding stuffing material as you go. Okay, so for round number 41, you will make 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, and you repeat this for 3 times, okay? You should have 9 stitches at the end of this round here. Alright, so here we have our 9 stitches. Add a little bit stuffing material as you go, because now we will work from round 42 to 55. 9 single crochet. Okay, remember to go adding as you go stuffing material, so it's not very hard for you once you finish all the repetitions here. Good, look at this. Very nice shape, very long tail. And now we are almost done. Here we will make 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and we will have 6 stitches left. Okay? I will move fast forward here. It's just 3 repetitions.